welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Aishwarya Goel and I'll really appreciate if you'll take out a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please consider subscribing. It won't take even a minute of yours, but it will really matter to me, so please do subscribe. So as we all know, Rakhi and Eid are round the corner and some of you are very lucky जो अपने भाइयों के साथ रक्षा बंधन सेलिब्रेट करी. Unlike me, मेरे सारे भाई बाहर हैं एंड आई विल बी स्पेंडिंग रक्षाबंधन अलोन. बट मुझे आज मौका मिल गया रेडी होने के लिए फॉर रक्षाबंधन. गिफ्ट तो मैं अपने भाइयों से ले ही लूँगी एंड राखी भिजवा दी है, सो आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. बट हाँ, आई विल रियली मिस द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माई ब्रदर्स एंड आई रियली मिस दैम. बाय द वे, आज की वीडियो इज अबाउट वेरी बेसिक, क्विक एंड ईजी मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल फॉर राखी एज वेल एज ईद. And all the products which I will be using today are very affordable and available online as well as on any drugstore. सबके लिंक ना मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, so if you are interested then please go check it out. And to know how I created this look then please keep on watching. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Starting with the moisturizer, I am using my absolute favorite Wow Skin Science Coconut Perfection Cream with vitamin E, and I love the dispenser of this little one. Moving to the second step, I am using primer from Blue Heaven. Although for my skin, moisturizer does a pretty good job as primer, but this one is affordable and works great. Then I am concealing the pigmentation near area of my nose, lips and dark circles. For this I am using NY Bay Liquid Concealer in a shade 2. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I am in a shade 120 Classic Ivory. And to moisturize my lips, I am using Blue Heaven Lip Balm in flavor Bubblegum. Mascara clay I am using again from Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara. For liner, I am using Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner in the shade 01. For eyeshadow, I have this palette from Swiss Beauty. I have used it a lot lately, इसलिए इसकी हालत बहुत ख़राब हो रखी है. And I am in the shade 02. It has some pretty good shades. First of all, I am taking this shimmery brown shade and blend it on my outer corners. And since I am wearing yellow suit and to give my look little popping although subtle look, I am using this yellow color to cover the inner corners. Wearing fake eyelashes is your personal choice, but I do feel it enhances the look, so I'm gonna wear it off camera. Okay, so well, how can I forget Kajal, one of my favorite thing. I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal, which I've been using for almost 6-7 years. Then I am again taking some of the yellow eyeshadow, applying it under my eyes. वैसे I have a lot of Swiss Beauty products for this look and some Blue Heaven too. But honestly, if you are a beginner, these two brands are worth investing on, especially Swiss Beauty, and plus none of the product is sponsored at all. And taking some of it on my finger and will apply it on my inner corners of the eyes. Then comes the part of contouring. For this I am using Swiss Beauty Cover Studio palette. Though it is a concealer palette, but I use it for multiple tasks and I am in the shade 02. Making this dark face which I know मुझ पे बिल्कुल भी सूट नहीं करता and applying a tint of it. Then comes the blusher. For that I am using this partially broken Swiss Beauty. Again, although this is meant for eyeshadow, but I like to use it as a blusher. Then comes to my favorite part, highlighter. I have a lot of great budgeted highlighter options, but the one I will be showing today are my absolute favorite. To highlight my high points of my face, first I am using Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter and I am in a shade 01 light pink. Then to highlight my high points of nose, chin and forehead, I am using again from Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter and I am in the shade 04. finish the look, I am using Nykaa Lipstick in the shade 11M Naughty Nude. And well, here is the final look. With this we come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Share it with your friends, family and all the loved ones. Comment section में ये जरूर बताना आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. My first ever makeup tutorial video. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.